This is customized wire saw machine remote control. All general saw machine could use it. All spinning speed knob have 4 gears: stop, low, middle, high. The 2 switches control machine's movement in the saw spinning direction. This control mode switch beside the machine is controlled by the wireless control or the control system on itself. So avoid misoperation, we designed an enable switch here. If turn the gear to off, even if control mode turn to wireless control, the remote control won't work. Please contact us if you need pair wireless remote control for your machines. Thank you.